Mike from Crowland Abbey. He has introduced few things about this. I will try to Google and give the link in description of websites of Crowland Abbey. Thank you, Mike.
So this is a flower festival in Crowland Abbey. We have enjoyed it. It happened in this nice church, and that's it.
So.
St. Guthlac, yeah.
Okay.
And everything in Crowland you'll find is
On the right hand side of Crowland Abbey, you can see the people who are resting there for their lifetime. Thomas Atkinson, Coastland, 1830. And there is difference between old graveyard and new graveyard. This is, if you see, very old graveyard on the right hand side of church. These memories of very old time. The messages are faded. After this you can see like a little bit change, and graveyard. And left hand side you can see the church. So you are watching the back side of Crowland Abbey. Earlier we were inside the church. You have seen the church from inside. Right hand side of the church you can see this graveyard. Maybe I don't know the clear name of the place to say, but this is where people are resting for their lifetime. In the right hand side, and you have seen the guide Mike, who has told us that in 1400 century this part of church was demolished by Henriette. I have shared the link in description where you can learn about what happened with the church. This is less than 8% of the remaining part of church which was remained. All other was destroyed. And this area you see beautiful green nowadays park. This was the part of church, and which is no more part of the church because it is destroyed in early 1400 century, and then after due to civil war. Okay, so you are watching with me this Crowland Abbey church as a part of flower festival which is organized in August 2022, and this knowledge I am sharing with the best discussion with the guide, available literature and links which I have described in description. Thanks, it is a historical thing, so there may be something wrong in facts and figures. I'm sorry for that, but I have tried to extract the best possible knowledge for this description. And thanks Mike, I am very kind for very kind. You are very kind to give us knowledge about Crowland Abbey Church, and it's very old church established by the Church of Rome. Okay, thanks for watching our channel, and if you really like this content is good, you can like, share within your friends, those especially who are preparing for history and those who love history, so you can share with them. And if you love to hear some content from me especially, then you can comment. I'll try to explore that type of content for you. Thank you so much.